All right, here we go. Last stretch here. Did a battery change. Luna went down and got a drink of some swamp water down there. You can see there's quite a bit of snow in this section here, obviously shielded from the sun. You can see there's maybe 6 inches or so of snow, maybe a little bit more, hiding there. Okay, so we have maybe just under a mile to go. Our next little stopping point is coming up just right here. Here you can see another piece of tie. So milepost 57 is coming up just right around the bend here. There it is. Again, you can see more tie here and there. More snow. So again, milepost 57. So again, that is the mileage on the Kinghorn. So for the original lines, you have to subtract the 49.7. And so for the Canadian Northern Nipigon subdivision, the Canadian National Railways Dorion subdivision, that would be milepost 7.3. Okay, let's leave 57 behind here. Got another little stop coming up here just shortly. And like I said, we're almost done. We don't have much further to go. Sorry. 5/10 of a mile? Half a mile? 5/10 of a mile, jeez. I was up early this morning. So here you can see this beautiful scene as we come alongside the Blackwater River. You can see this cut on the one side, and then you can see the Blackwater River down there. You can see another piece of tie we just rolled over right there. So again, the Blackwater River is basically our companion right up until Warnford Station. So that was 57. So Warnford is at what, 25 something, so another 18 miles. We kind of parallel the river more or less. Again, just a beautiful scene here. The water is extremely high, so that is normally not that's above the, sorry, the water's below that. Okay, the brush, and you can see some of the trees that are there. So again, very, very high. You can see, again, you can see sort of that very, very dark appearance of the water. So here, somewhere here, maybe over there, basically there was another spur, and this one is very vague. There's not a lot of information about it. So all it says, so you can kind of see this little bump out here. So in 1921-22, at milepost 7.4, which is around here, because 7.3 is at the milepost marker, so around here somewhere, there was a spur called Mills. And again, for 2 years, but it doesn't say anything on there in terms of the actual spur itself. It doesn't say the length of the spur. It doesn't say which side that it's connected. So was there actually a spur here, or was it just some sort of, because it's listed under other tracks, so you would assume that it's a spur, but maybe it was just a spot where they were loading things, or maybe unloading things into the river, or they had floated things in the river and they were loading up from here. I'm not sure what it was, but certainly there was something here. So I'll flash up that timetable so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. All right, let's get her done here. It's already 11:38. I started at 8 o'clock in the morning. So even though I've been through here before, it still took me over 3.5 hours to get through here. Crazy. So again, here you can see all of this sand. Basically you can see it appears that they've dug ballast. Again, you can, nice shots, beautiful shots here of the Blackwater River and that very dark appearance of the water. Telegraph pole up there, nice breeze. Could have been here, that Mills place. You can see there's a big bump out right here. Could be it. Could be just a short little one-car spur, who knows. So here, right on the other side of this, it looks like there's a big gravel pit. So again, I don't know if they, there's a piece of tie here, if they would have been digging maybe the time they were building the railway, or if this was used later on, but you can certainly see they've removed a lot of material from here. Here you can see the Blackwater picks up some speed, and you can hear it's got a little bit of movement to it, and some sound, some rushing water. Again, you can see that pit on the other side here, or quarry, or whatever you want to call it. Little birds on the railway grade right in front of us. There they go. There they go. Yeah, the river's moving pretty good here. Here it looks like maybe they repaired the grade. Get a little washout here. Here's the river running pretty good. All right. Let's bring it home here. Patches of snow. So right here, there's another culvert. This one we can actually read. So this one says 57.32. So modern metal culvert, nothing exciting. So again, 57.32 is the mileage on the original line. Sorry, for the Kinghorn, and for the original lines, that would be 7.62. All right. Last section here. Again, you can see the material they've removed all in through here, and the snow that's left. So, no flanger sign here, no stub or anything like that. There's a telegraph pole right there that you can see. I hate when people do this. I hate when people throw their garbage in the bush. Ready to eat a mattress? It's got a nice rip down the middle. Okay, so this is what used to be an old level crossing here. So this is Blackwater Road, obviously named after the Blackwater River. So this is basically the conclusion of our exploration, and so this ties in with a hike that we previously did a couple years ago. So this section takes us about 3 miles or so up ahead. Anyway, so hopefully you've enjoyed today's little jaunt and all the interesting things that we've been able to sort of see and experience. Just looking to see if there's flanger sign or something. Anyway, again, we've done this section. So we did this section a couple of years ago. And so what's going to happen is the grade here is going to continue this way for a bunch more miles until it eventually reaches Jack Pine Station, which is the next section, next station on the line. And so anyway, thanks for following so long. We'll be back just as soon as we can with yet more explorations. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in and stay safe.